In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to PDF. Converting your spreadsheet to a PDF is a great way to lock in your layout, make sharing simpler, and ensure it prints exactly as you expect. You won't need any extra software. Everything happens right inside Excel. First, let's use the Save As method. Open the Excel file you want to convert. Go to the File menu and choose Save As. Pick a location on your computer where you want the PDF to go, like a project folder or your desktop, so it's easy to find later. In the File Type dropdown, change it to PDF. Before you save, you can click the Options button to control what gets included. If you want the entire workbook, select that so every sheet is included in the PDF. If you only need the sheet you're looking at now, choose the current sheet. You can also set specific page ranges if you only need part of a long sheet. When everything looks right, click Save and Excel will create the PDF using your chosen settings. Now here's the export method, which gives you the same result through a slightly different path. With the spreadsheet open, go to File and choose Export. Select Create PDF XPS Document, then click Create PDF XPS. Choose where to save the file, confirm the name, and click Publish. This route is especially handy if you prefer the export workflow, but the outcome is the same, a clean, shareable PDF. Before converting, it's smart to tidy up the layout so the PDF looks professional. Head to the Page Layout tools in Excel to adjust margins if your content feels cramped or spills across pages. Switch orientation between portrait and landscape to better fit wide tables. Use scaling to control how much fits on a page. For example, you can scale so all columns fit on one page if you want to avoid cutoffs. A quick preview in Excel helps confirm page breaks and spacing. When you're finalizing the PDF, consider quality settings. Choose standard quality if you plan to print or need crisp detail. If you're emailing the file and want a smaller size, pick minimum size to reduce the file weight while keeping it readable. That's all there is to it. Open your file, convert with Save As or Export. Fine-tune what gets included, and polish the layout beforehand for the best results. Once you try these steps a few times, turning any Excel sheet into a reliable PDF will become second nature.